stretching and yawning, another day ahead. It seems to last forever, and time is slowly by. So baby meets together, then it starts to fly.